Hi guys, today we will talk about how to connect GoDaddy domain to Hostinger hosting. This process is simple and easy, so watch it till the end. The first thing is head over to your GoDaddy. And here, take a look on the right top. You can see your profile, and once you will take your mouse on your profile, you can see the option of my product. Click on it. And here, first thing I will do is I will jump back to my Hostinger. And here, take a look on the top. You can see multiple options from these. You have to select the option hosting. After clicking on the option hosting, you can see this one is my business web hosting. Click on this 3 dots and click on the option Add Website. Once you will click on the option Add Website, you can see your website type. So here, select yours, just like I will select Online Store. You can also skip it by clicking below, but I'll click on Create an Empty Website. Now here, I will tap on Skip. I will start from scratch. After clicking on it, you can see the option of domain. If I click on it, here I can choose a domain, and you can also see the option to use an existing domain. So click on it, and here, jump back to your GoDaddy. And what you need to do is simply copy this. After copying, jump back to your Hostinger. And paste which you copy from the GoDaddy and click on the option Continue here. You can see now it's connecting. Now click on the option Continue. And here you have to do 3 things. You have to connect it to your domain, and then we will visit our website. And again, we will do some setting in the control panel. So let me click on the option Connect. After clicking on option Connect, click here. Now jump back to your GoDaddy and click on the option DNS. Once you will click on the option DNS, here click on the option Name Servers. Again, go back to your Hostinger, and here you can see now is saying Change to Hostinger Name Servers. So we have to copy the both name servers, and we need to paste it in the GoDaddy. Next, find the names in the GoDaddy, and here you can see the name servers. Click on the option Change Name Servers. After clicking on it, in Hostinger you have to copy the first. After copying, you have to paste it here, before pasting. You have to choose this. I will use my own name server. Now once you paste the first, jump back to your Hostinger and copy the second one. After copying, paste it here. After pasting, click on the option Save. Now that has been pasted, click on Continue and Verify. Now it will take some time, and they will send a one-time password to my email. You can see this password is valid for 60 minutes. Now I got the code, and it took almost 10 minutes. After pasting the code, click on the option Verify. Now that has been verified. Jump back to your Hostinger and click on the option Continue. Now all done, hit Finish. Once it will be finished, I will view my website to check how it look like, but sometimes it take up to 48 hours, so I will just check it by clicking on it. And now you can see the first look of my GoDaddy website. Jump back to your Hostinger and click on option Manage Site. Once you will click on it, tap on the option Installer. And here you can see you can install WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla, and others. So it was the way by which you can connect your GoDaddy domain to your Hostinger.